Need water damage restoration in Everett? National Restoration Construction is your local emergency water damage team. Ready, right now. National Restoration Construction offers true 24/7 emergency response. Real crews answering day and night for Everett homeowners. Our IICRC certified technicians bring professional-grade water damage restoration equipment directly to your Everett property. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NARESTCO 792M6 and insured, so your Everett home is protected. After water damage restoration, Everett homes handled by National Restoration Construction look completely transformed. See the difference yourself. Call National Restoration Construction now for a free estimate on water damage restoration in Everett. Dial 206-883-0333 today.